Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your midweek haul for Walgreens, Dollar General, and I also have some Family Dollar mixed in, and some fantastic stuff, including an $8 moneymaker over at Walgreens. We have some penny items, and then I finally tracked down those Downy beads over at Meyer. I'm laughing because it's so stupid. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Just ensures that the video gets out there so other people can enjoy some midweek savings. So like the video. Thank you so much, guys. So yesterday afternoonish, I posted this video. It's the Dollar General clearance event. We have a ton of freebies, a ton of cheapies. And from the last time this event happened, people do not like every month clearance events. So if you are a very observant shopper and you can just get into your store and do some looking around and track down some of this stuff, it is going to be Candyland starting on Friday. I'm going to link this video at the very end if you wish to watch it. Lots of great information, great matchups, and a ton of freebies, which we love to see. Hey, so the first store that we're at is Walgreens, and the first deal we're going to do is stacking a paper booster with a digital booster. I'm going to let you guys know that top paper booster, I found it in a parking lot at Aldi, so be looking everywhere for those boosters. I even found it at a different store in the parking lot of all places. But that's $17 back when I'm spending $45, and the two did in fact stack. What did I get? 2 of the Dove body washes for $20, 2 of the Tresemes for $12, and then 4 of the Dove shampoos, and they are priced at $4 a pop. Okay, so just showing you, the Tresemes are $6 each, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. You got to use this one by Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And then the massive Dove body washes for $10. $3 reward when you buy 2. However, Fetch Rewards is giving back 5,000 points when you buy the 2, and my full $20 tracked as well. I'm just showing you that right here. And then we have the Dove shampoos at $4. $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. We have this 3 off of 3 that is attaching, and then a $2 digital. Now, when I was trying to do this deal on I think Tuesday, this did not come off, so I actually had to call customer service, and they just gave me a $2 credit. So that's what you're going to have to do. Either call their 1-800 number or do the chat. I did the chat because I don't like ever being on the phone. It's one of those things. I'm just a non-phone person. Okay, so just to show you the actual receipt, my subtotal, I believe, was $48. Here's all my stuff, and then you can see below, $6 coming off for the Dove body wash, a $5 off for the Tresemme, and then a $3 for the Dove. So I had to pay $34 with my debit card as I'm using 2 boosters, the paper one and the digital one that I showed you at the beginning of the video. That's the booster. So when you're using those, you can't use Walgreens cash or store register rewards. You can use manufacturers, but not store register rewards. And then what I got back was $35 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, for all that shampoo and the body wash. And then I called customers or texted customer service and got $2 back for the missing Dove shampoo coupon. And then I photographed my receipt to Fetch for an extra 5,000 back. So it made this basket like an $8 moneymaker. And then after everything was said and done, it was free and an $8 moneymaker. So just a smart deal. Okay, these Cascade, and then we also have Gain detergent. They are 4 for $16. We have this $6 register reward from last week, so if you throw that into the mix and then throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, if you might have it, it makes it just a deal where you're paying down the tax. And I know with Cascade, this is something everybody's always looking for, so just an alternative deal. And then we have more clearance, including these Olay wipes. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so they're $2.79 a pop. After that $3 digital, guys, it's $2.58 for the 2, or $1.29 per bag of wipes. If you know, you know, this is a fantastic deal. And then I keep finding these like $10.49 pumps, or the serums. We have a $10 digital, so it made this guy 49 cents. And then I like had to dance in the middle of the aisle because I like won the Walgreens Olympics, and I conquered the Olay deal. I was so happy. I'm such a nerd. Even the cashier, some older guy, he was like, "This is fantastic." So I was just really excited. I love any kind of skincare, and this is SPF 30. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, and now, if you remember on Monday, I had a Dorito Lay's deal, and I was like, go and do the following. There is actually buy five, get $2 back with checkout 51. You might want to investigate your app, look at the fine print, and maybe a deal to do, especially if you wanted to get those Doritos minis, which are rather cheaper. And if you were going to do like little lunches for your kids for back to school, I mean, that's a perfect item because the chips are so tiny. Walgreens also changed around their app where it's visually more appealing, where the coupons are a lot larger. I've noticed this the last 2 days, and for somebody like me, I appreciate this. I didn't like that big grid of coupons. Everything seemed to get lost. This is a lot more clear, easy to load, and then to see like, the available coupons and then the redeemed ones. I do love this change. Now we're going to head over to the Family Dollar. I think on Monday it was 95 degrees, which is really, really hot. It's since cooled down quite a bit, but a farmer actually had to bring his 2 rabbits into the store to cool them down. Couldn't leave them in the car, so that was really kind of cute. And then I picked up a couple items in the store using digital coupons, and we're going to go through them. You're going to find these items in the clearance section. Sometimes they have this stuff merchandise with the cleaner in the back of the store or in a clearance aisle. So you know your store best. You might have to root around a little bit. The first is an absolute freebie. It is the Febreze Pink Peony Spray. And it's like $1.47, and with the $1.50 digital coupon, that's free. 0 overage over at the Family Dollar. And then this is what the digital coupon looks like. It's $1.50 off one product. So I love getting air care for free. I don't want to pay 1 cent for it, so this is my kind of a deal. The next are 2 different dish soaps for 75 cents. This first one is a Palmolive Soft Touch. Check maybe your store has these in stock. I mean, you might have to go and investigate. We have a $1 digital making it 75 cents, and this is your $1 digital. So I would definitely be on the hunt for that. And then if you possibly are a fan of the Ajax dish soap, it's 75 cents. And I see that this one has Fabuloso scents inside of it. So this is probably a Colgate product. There's a $1 digital to attach to this to make it 75 cents. I wish those dish soaps were a little bit cheaper, but I mean, it is the Family Dollar. So, hey, it is what it is. Now we're over at the Dollar General, and on Tuesday, Christie's Connections posted a really big food list, and these Ritz crackers were part of it. So shout out to her and her team. 1 penny, it's going to bring up 0.00 in the app, 1 cent. Now, I found them merchandise on an end cap at the very, very bottom. A friend of mine, the Geeky Banana Saves, that's where she found hers as well. And I found 8 at my store, and they were actually expired, but the cashier gave them to me. She didn't really look at the date. The Geeky Banana Saves was completely rejected, and she wasn't happy about it. But those are the breaks of this. Sometimes when you have food that expires, they have the right. That is the one exception with penny shopping. They can deny the sale. And a lot more penny shoppers are out there, so I think, a lot of cashiers do not like penny shopping, so they'll just give you the gears. I'm going to link the Geeky Banana Saves video at the end. It's a very honest video. I know a lot of you like that sort of story time, and she just basically breaks down what happened. Visit Christie's Connections channel for the full penny list for this Tuesday. It's some other stuff too, like some protein bars and other goodies. She's always on top of that. For crackers that are, because this is like crackers that expired in May, so why would I want them? Like, what are you doing? I actually looked it up, and because there are so many preservatives in this sort of a product, they can last up to 2 years post the date. A lot of you that are into canning or, dehydration, you could even figure something out that way, how to preserve them more. But, I mean, the fact that they're, like 3-4 months expired, I don't think they're going to start molding. There's enough preservatives in them. When my husband gets back, I'm going to get him to try them. So I think I'm in the clear with these. Okay, so the last store that we have is Meyer, a grocery store in the Midwest only. The Downy Comfy Cozy Beads. It's a smaller bottle of it for $5.29. It's $4.99, and we have a $4 MPerk, making it 99 cents. That is one per store card. I know that some stores have displays saying $1 each, but they've since removed those displays because I don't know if they're going to reset this MPerk for a couple of weeks. They did it for 2 weeks over here, but I couldn't find it in store last week. But then this week I finally found it. And for 99 cents, that is a great item to grab. Some stores you still might not be able to find them, but I was lucky to track one down. So I was pretty happy about that. So like CVS, Meyer is running an ad for 2 weeks, and these pure protein chips are still part of the buy 5, save 5. So you would grab 5 of them, and then they become 39 cents each. So like last week, and even though they're part of the buy 5, save 5, if you only find like say 4 of them in your store, grab another item that are part of the buy 5, save 5, and you'll pay 39 cents each. They reduce down to $1.39 when you scan them, and then buying 5 of them, the $5 will pop off. I haven't been able to find any more at my location, but I mean, it is what it is. But I'm still grateful that I was able to get 10 the week previous. You have until Saturday the 31st to track these down. Meyer also doesn't write rain checks ever. I got yelled at in a store a couple days ago. If you guys want a story time on that, I'll make one for you. But maybe it's worth going to the pharmacy section to look for these protein chips. They're really good. And, it's a great little snack to have when you're on the road couponing. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.